Friends, this is the 17th characteristics of successful person. They will embrace the changes. They love the changes. And unsuccessful people, or the people who are having unsuccessful mentality, they will they will do whatever they can do to avoid changes. But one, I mean, two couple of questions. I mean, how the changes will make the people person successful? Because see, if we keep on changing, then it will become very impossible. It will become impossible to achieve success. So how come? I mean, how come the change will help? And also, if you if you're working on something, and if you want to change, if you immediately will change the thing which you are doing, you are continuing to do, then again you will lose the track, and you will not reach to your destination. So how the change will help and make you successful? So here at the point of view, which I understood from this particular point from this chapter, that successful people, they have the attitude to improve themselves, to study the market, to understand the market, and they have the foresight. They can see the future, that what is the technology, or what are the things, or what demand is going to come, and based on that they will improve. They will change their processes, they will change their system, their services, and this is how they will adapt quickly, and they will always be on top. So this is how, this is the one of the characteristics which the successful people they will carry, which will keep them always on the top, and they will have the edge with compared to others in the market. So friend, I will come with another topic, another characteristics. Till then, bye, see you.